So guys, today I will play Super Bowl beta. So this game still in beta and I will play this game. So yeah, if you want to play this game, you can only play this. I only play this game in PSP. So I like to call PSP. Why I call this game PSP? Because PSP is PlayStation Pepper. So yeah. So this is only paper, guys. I just draw this and I only play this game. So yeah, wait. So okay, this is Super Bowl beta game. So I just play this game first. So yeah. So we need a joystick. So if you want to play this game, you need to cut this like this, yeah. So okay, what is this? So this is we call the joystick of PSP. So our PSP need joystick to control the character of the game. Yeah. Okay. So I don't want to talk more. So let's just start this game. So okay, I need the joystick. So sorry guys, the joystick is still in working. Yeah. So I just press start. Okay, let's go. So okay, let's get to this page. So here we go, guys. So sorry, guys. Oh, okay. So this is first page. Okay, we start this game now. Okay, this is we can also pause this game. You know, you can pause this game with joystick. Just select button start. Okay, so if you want to play this game, we need the character. Oh, so we need the character. So the first character. This is okay. Wait. This is I call the Super Bowl. The main character of this casual game. You know, I just draw this and cut this. If it's look word or look so yeah, you know, so okay, I don't know. So okay, let's just put our character. So the main character. So we need to control this Super Bowl. Yeah, so here we go, guys. So okay, music. So we also have the bar. We have 3 bar here, and if we get hurt by monster or just fall fell in the in the lava, we just lost one of 3 health. Yeah. So okay, let's go. So we just pick my joystick. Sorry guys, joystick is problem. Wait. I need to set up first. Oh my gosh, let's go, guys. So I just put my one hand, no. So let's get started. So okay, we just press this. So let's go. Okay, just 1, 2, 3. Okay, we just need to tap one more. 4. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, the second place is we have the box here. So we just put the character again. I feel okay. I feel the discomfort because I